a post about this platform right here. We should be giving out a 10k free profile account to everyone who sign up and register into their platform. And you can see right here they wrote rebirth coming soon, which means they are just launching, and to be able to, for them to actually give out their service to everyone that is just signing up, they'll be giving out a 10k free account to everyone. So if you click on the link which I'll be adding to the comment section, it takes you straight to my Telegram channel where you'll be able to get the link to this site, and then you'll be able to sign up to be able to get the 10k account. So I'll be showing you every single step on how to go about it. But before that, I took their link to ChatGPT to be able to give us a quick review about the platform and things we need to be aware of, every details we need to focus on, and things we need to avoid. So this right here, you can see the first thing it shows, it says Fortune's funding is advertising a free 10k evaluation funded account giveaway with no deposits required. And see the web page simply collects names, email and phone to sign up for this free account. This kind of offer is extremely uncommon in the prop firm industry. Most prop firms charge for challenges. It means you actually need to pay to get any funded account, which most prop firms usually do. And how to claim this account right here, it's very simple and straightforward. You go to the Fortune funding sign up page and enter your full name, email address and phone. Opt in for update, which is you'll be getting details into your email address. This is part of the form. Verify your email address once you receive the confirmation. Receive the 10k funded evaluation account login. They send credentials via email or dashboard. Now I'll show you every single detail on how I did mine and start trading on the account using the platform provided, likely MT5 or similar. Now typical rules and terms you need to be aware of right here. You can see the evaluation structure has 3 phases. Now for the first phase, you have a profit target of 10%, the maximum drawdown, which is total and daily. You can see the maximum drawdown right there, and the minimum trading days is 2 days. Inactivity limit is 10 days. You must not be inactive for 10 days, if not the account will be locked. And for the phase 2, it's the same thing as the rules for phase 1. And for the phase 3, which is the final phase, lower profit target, you have 5%, tighter drawdown, you have 5%, the minimum trading days, which is also 2, you must have a trading days of at least 2 days. You must complete all phases within 30 days. In total, every single phase must be completed within a month. And after you pass and get funded, once the challenge is being passed, you should get a live funded account. The typical funded account conditions may include, you can see the conditions for the funded account after you've passed the funded account, which is maximum drawdown limit still applied, which is profit split. Maximum daily drawdown limit still applied, which is the same thing as 10%. Profit split, example 80 to you and 20 for the form. First payout timeline after 14 days. For the funded account, you can see the details you need to be aware of. Once you get funded, these are the details you need to be aware of, which a profit split is just 80-20. You'll be getting 80% of the profit you made, and the firm will be taking 20%. And for the maximum daily drawdown, this is the same thing as 10%. The first payout timeline is after 14 days. Now, these details comes from community post information about this launch. Official company terms and conditions have not yet been fully published. And as you can see right there, these details is mainly from other posts which ChatGPT was able to gather, which is what we're actually having right here on the screen. For this important part, I need to remind you guys that I'm only making this video and I'm not promoting this platform. I'm only making this video to be able to give everyone a chance to be able to get a free profile account, which if you actually follow the process, you might be able to get it. Now I'm not showing you be getting the profile account, I'm only showing you steps and updates on how it goes. Now see important tricks and warning which you need to be aware of. You see the Fortune funding ceased operation in 2024 and shut down account before we launch. So they're actually relaunching. They have been available before, but they shut down during 2024. You can just take your time, go through the terms and conditions, everything. In order for me not to waste your time, just take your time to go through every single details. If you take the link to ChatGPT, it will give you these details right here on the screen, showing right here on the screen. So I'll be going straight to the steps. Once you click on the link, which I'll be adding to the comment section, like I said earlier, it will take you to my Telegram channel. And in the Telegram channel, you'll find a link that will take you to the platform where you just need to sign up. It's very straightforward. You don't need to waste your time on looking for any section to actually sign up and stuff. It's straightforward, like I said. So clicking on the link, this is what you will have on your screen. And into this first place, you put in your full name. The second stage, you put the second section, you put in your email address, and right here you put in your mobile phone number. Then click on this little box right here to agree to the terms and conditions, and then you click on claim my free account now. Now once you do this, once you click on claim my free account, you'll be having an email message. You'll be having a message in your email which would look like this. And the interesting part is I actually found mine under this section that says spam in the email section. So this is what it looks like. You can see the headings at the top that says have been the 10,000 profit have been confirmed, and this is what the email will look like. You can see the details right here. Now you see the road right here. It says next step, join our Discord to receive updates, ask questions, and stay informed. And you will need to register on our back office dashboard right here, which is this link right here is used to join their site. And over 10,000 participants have completed this step already, so you can see the platforms and details which you need to be aware of.